Thankful for another day, hooray, hooray. I'ma live my best life today, today. Thanking God for another fresh morning after cool shade. Woke up with a new mindset, a new way. Staying positive, no toxic, touche. Gotta meditate on that demon time. Watching my breath, I gotta be aligned. Everything except now a done deal. All my anxiety is not real. Life is what you make it, I'ma make it great. Starting right now from the actions I take. Making my bed, let's go. How you start the day, that's how you end, yo. It's a fresh start, better own it. Make the best day out of my fresh morning. Best way to start the day is by getting some. That's just me, I'm just saying though, get it on. Put some lime in your water, yeah.